Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we'll be talking about the new Workflows UI. So in the new Workflows UI we have introduced a concept called groups. In the groups, similar kind of workflows are grouped together, which is easy for discoverability and helps developers reduce their toil. So if you could see, service onboarding, infrastructure, data operations are one of the groups, and under each group you could find similar kind of workflows. Like there is an option to onboard your Java app, Python app, React app under service onboarding, and there are infrastructure provisioning workflows under infrastructure. Now if you observe keenly, you will find we have introduced icons for workflows. The action button now could be changed according to the purpose of the workflows. Like it could be deleting certain resources, it could be creating a new service, and accordingly the namings and the color of the action button is. And also let's look how these things are added to your workflows. Like if we go to edit workflow for this particular Python service onboarding, you could see the action button text is here create and icon is Python under the metadata. So when you add this data under the metadata of your workflows.yaml, these changes appear in the new Workflows UI. Now back to this. So on the left nav, you could navigate through each of these groups, which is quite intuitive for developers and save their time figuring out what to do, especially for new hires. They could directly come here instead of skimming through the all workflows view. Now, as a platform engineer, you could select certain workflows to be favorites, like it would appear in the favorite section. And then if you want to create a new group, just move into admin, under admin, under layout, there is something called workflows layout. And in this workflows layout, you will find the existing groups that are already created. You can create a new group. Let's say I will create here day 2, and I could add an icon. Let's add this icon, reach out, the channel's name where to reach out in case they face any problem or they are having, they want to understand more about workflows under this group. Now under here, I could add, let's say this thing, custom picker, test on the main branch, test email delivery, and once I'm here, I could arrange the appearance in numerically, like custom picker will appear first, then location. So this could be a priority based order as well. Make sure to save the changes, and once you've saved the changes, if you go to your main menu workflows, you could see day 2 onboarding appearing here. And this whole left nav can also be configured here. Like if you come here and I move it to the top, and I go back here, now under workflows, day 2 onboarding is on the top. So this is all about the new Workflows UI. One thing to notice here is the register workflows remains the same, where the team is introducing new RBAC, which is scheduled to come in upcoming quarters, wherein that flow will also change. For now, these are the updates. Stay tuned for the next video.